Well, happy Saturday to you. Welcome to the Gym of All Trades channel. Glad you are with us. Well, it's just me, just me and my computer. So glad you're here. Glad you stopped by. If you're brand new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe. Please do that right now. Every day I give wave analysis and Elliott wave predictions as to where the waves are going, and trade ideas for how to trade this market. So it's all completely free, and do it from a standpoint of honesty and a standpoint of not Moon Boy, but not Bear Boy either. We just try to give you an analysis daily of what we're seeing. But more than that, you get advice and teaching from a guy who's been learning how to trade for years now and learn the hard way. And I want to protect you from making those mistakes as well. So glad you're with me. I want to invite you to the my YouTube channel, my YouTube group, the Litecoin swing trading community. Just go to the YouTube, not YouTube. Did I say YouTube? The Facebook group, Litecoin swing trading community. You'll find it there. Just do a search for Litecoin swing trading community. It's a free group, and you're welcome to join there as well. Where we have a lot of learning traders as well as seasoned traders offering their analysis and charts, and I'm really enjoying the community of people that have been showing up and learning to trade alongside us. So anyway, glad you are here. Today we're going to look at three charts: Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. If I have time tonight, I'm going to put out a chart for the alts, several alts that are looking interesting. XRP, Link, as well as by request, we want to look at Quantum. If you have any chart requests, please feel free to give those chart requests. All right, let's start out with BTC because BTC is running the show. I'll show you the dominance chart. You can see there's room for another push to the upside here and dominance. So I see probably at least another wave or two to go. So the dominance down the way. Right now she's sitting at about 69% dominant, but that dominance is going to take over here even more so as we trudge on up to this 2618 level of this wave. Let's see what might be a projection here, just to give you a ballpark idea. Looking at, yeah, looking at, the one-to-one extension most likely is a good landing point there. But anyway, as the dominance goes up in Bitcoin, so do the other alts as they follow Bitcoin. Okay, so as Bitcoin's dominance increases, her ability to keep the alts from moving on their own is measured. That's what this chart measures. So as we see this chart dropping, we should see the alts moving on their own and not so constrained by the dominance of BTC. Now, this is a lagging indicator, but you can see that we need to be watching BTC carefully because she's leading the show. So let's look at BTC quickly. You can see the channel that we've been in up to this point. If you want to see a detailed Elliott wave count, just take a peek at previous videos. Let me just give our move right here so you can see that. I already have that on the chart. I just re-put it there. I've got it there as precisely as I can get it here. It looks like we're trudging up here to the 10,900 mark. We haven't quite hit it yet. 10,960, 11,000 for all intents and purposes. So I'm looking for a push up here. You can see the shape of these little pushes. We'll get up, we'll have a long candle, then a little, a couple little W's. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. We'll have yeah, not that. That's not what I'm seeing. We'll have a push to the upside, then we'll have this little W. Push to the upside, have this little sideways W there. I mean, just almost straight up. We got a correction, push to the upside. So I'm expecting another little W up here to kind of break this level. It might even be more shallow than that, and then on down. So we should be testing 11,000 there, which is going to be this high right over here, close to the structure zones right there. Let me put a yellow line up there. That's kind of what we're looking at. I'm looking for this third wave to kind of finish up here, and then come on down for a fourth wave. And so far the wave count. See if I can get rid of these marks that I've placed on my screen now. So far the wave count that I'm seeing here is we got a 1, 2. All this is going to be 3, have a 4, and then a 5. That 4 correction will most likely come down here to this $10,100 level, roughly in this structure zone right here. I would think in this ballpark, right in there. To measure it, if it does do that, it would be coming down. Sorry, my voice is feeling pretty shot here. Yeah, here you got the 382 and the 50% right in this zone, and that's where four ways generally come down to. Then we should see a push up to about the $11,700 mark, which is my call for the top. So that's what we're looking at. So I'm looking for a correction anytime now. I would not be in a long position in BTC much longer. I would at least be ready to exit my position so I could. What I generally do is I trade these waves. Okay, I trade these larger waves so that we can preserve our capital as we earn on the moves. Okay, all right, that's what we're looking at for BTC. That's as detailed as we'll get here to keep this video a little shorter than normal. Let's go to LTC and see what she's doing on the macro. We finished 5 waves. We come down into WXY. Now we've had a 1-2 wave or an AB wave. The extension of that wave is looking to make. Looking to come up here to the 1276 or the 1-to-1 extension, which is anywhere from 112 or 113 to 120 to 121 in that ballpark. So this is the area we're looking into. I could come as high as 131 if it's corrective. I am looking for it to be corrective, and I'm looking for a move to the downside after that. So basically what I'd be basically looking at is a large WX and then a Y wave down to the $50 level, somewhere in that region. We'll know better once this wave is finished and we begin a downside move. We'll know better, be able to project this Y, but it'll be anywhere between $50 and $65 would be my estimate there. All right, so let's take a look at the current wave structure and see if there's any trades setting up there. Now, keeping in mind that BTC is about to correct, I think we've got one more push to the high. So here's what I'm thinking. Right now, this is a big... what we have here. This is a big 1 wave or an A wave followed by a B wave, and then we have 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 2, 3. This is the 4 wave. I'm expecting a 5 wave to come finish up here. So as BTC finishes, I'm expecting LTC to also finish as well. Now she may already be finished, and we may be coming down to the downside a little bit more down to this trend line. I wouldn't think so though, based on the wave count. But again. I could be wrong in my wave count, so I want you to understand that. But I'm still kind of projecting a move to the upside as a high likelihood, with this being a 1 wave followed by a 2 wave or an A wave followed by a B wave. One of the two. Throwing the fibs on this move right here. It measures reversalish, but I don't like the wave. I like it more as an ABC. So I'm looking more of it as coming up here to a ABC, up to the 1-to-1 extension, possibly to the 1276. So $98 to $99 is a potential move right here. We are at close right now, close to an entry point, if not entering already for this trade. If this trade works out, it's not a bad entry point right now. Let me look a little closer, see if I can analyze that chart just a little bit more carefully to see if I can see what the waves are doing there. We got an 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Might have one more push to the low, kind of make a double bottom, then up. And what you need to do is, if we get that other push to the low, you need to watch how that wave forms. We could make another low. That being said, I do have a trend line down here that could be a juicy target, but I'm still kind of looking for an upside move, but we'll have to wait and see. Right now, it's just kind of any trade is a risky trade, but so just be careful, knowing that Bitcoin is looking to reverse soon, and so Litecoin will follow as well. Ethereum, to me, just my call on Ethereum right now is just a big no trade zone right now. This is looking too weak to me. I don't like how weak it is. It's just trudging up slowly. So for me, I would just stay away from it. Looks like we need to come up here to the 1276 extension, which is about $227. We have reached the 1-to-1 extension at 222. If we make it up here to the $233, we're going to reevaluate how we feel about it. But we're going to have to see a big move for that in Ethereum. All right, well, there's a quick update for the market. I hope that helps you. The other video that I made today, because I already recorded one, was a lot better than that one. But there you go. You got the condensed version. You got all the basic same information, but condensed. Hope you like, subscribe, share the videos, and don't forget to show some love in the comments. That really helps out the channel. Until next time, I'm looking to do a live stream possibly tomorrow. We'll do a video in the morning and a live stream tomorrow evening, somewhere around 9 o'clock Eastern time. I will put an announcement out there later on. All right, you guys have a fantastic Saturday. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.